Hey and Namaskaram aspirants. Welcome back to the Campus Academy channel. If you are new to this channel, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Do watch my all videos uploaded in this channel which are basically for interview and also a revision exam questions. Today we will see some GD questions asked in most famous world companies like Amazon, Flipkart, Atos, Revicher, etc. GD questions are asked basically to test your knowledge if you can talk in group, represent your ideas in front of many people. Some GT topics are e-commerce, ban on Chinese app, impact of COVID wave, impact of COVID on education systems, and many more questions. These questions are basically about the surroundings and new things in the environment. Now let's see some answers about ban on Chinese app. The ban on Chinese app was implemented on June 22. India banned 59 Chinese apps under the IT Act, and this ban was imposed on many famous Chinese apps like TikTok and PUBG. These apps were banned because of the data security purpose. The report says that this ban has improved the statistics of Indian apps which are similar to the Chinese app. These apps like Chingari app, Document Scanner, and many Indian games. This ban increases the Indian app market on national and international level. Due to the ban on the Chinese app, many Indians were inundated and noticed given the popularity within the 48 hours. This also gave a very good platform for Indian app makers on national and international level. Without having exterior restriction, this ban gave very positive impact which is clearly visible on Indian crowd for using Indian app. Now let's see about e-commerce. So e-commerce is like a shop in the electronic platform. E-commerce means electronic commerce. Commerce means basically trading. The e-commerce has grown its platform. This became the necessity of the people during lockdown. It flourished in small village also. E-commerce has many sites like Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, etc. These sites help in shopping. The main advantages of the e-commerce entrepreneur does not have to build their own store for storing the things. It directly deals seller and consumer. This means that take the product from the company and give it to the consumer without storing it. Anyone can start e-commerce with the help of laptop and internet connection. The advantage that boosts the e-commerce is with respect to consumer perspective, the e-commerce has the price of the product less as compared to offline store. It also gave a quality match and different products of same quality of different companies. The e-commerce bridges the gap between what the consumer needs and varieties in the same product offered by the different companies. It basically bridges the gap of verifying same products from many companies in terms of quality, quantity, and price at a single place. This makes it more reliable.
Thank you all for watching the Campus Academy video. Please like, share, subscribe and comment to this video. Also watch other videos on this channel.